with it. I'm sorry, I literally just accidentally
Labos
turned
sa
out.
panel. Like, ano bilang to ba? I'm thinking now ba of I am already putting the hat of a panel member. So, ako pinulit yung kanaan can this concern be solved by simply revising your lesson plan? If it is, di na siya kinahanglan pa yung research. Pero magnasunod naman siya, di ba?
Kung siya ma'am, kung di man siya pwede i-revise ng lesson plan, kaya dapat ma-met matuloy mo objective nila. Tayo mga sample objective nga or kanina kuwan sa internet ma'am, kanina hindi siya o dapat. Kung sa ang question ma'am, kung hindi na siya ma'am-based method. Okay.
No, next year pa ka mahuman. Kung mag-based method ka.
Nagpo siya action research ma'am nga ma-address na kung siya problem through my intervention. Ano siya ma'am kay
Okay, this is actually no good. Your topic is actually, it's a development of
Okay,
an
and then
educational
like
intervention. And that is what we would like to prevent. Balik na tayo sa panel. Are you into education? Or are you into, ano ba? Business education. Yes, but again, let's go back to our research agenda, which is on business and management. Pwede ba nito
might be short, so please don't get mad if the other one's a little
in
too
your
long.
lessons, integrate simple accounting discussions. Simplify. Ano ba, hindi mo mausap ang lesson plan, but in the delivery of examples, dito ka pwede. Okay. Mo nang yun na ang inyong hasalit diba? So, pag-abot sa inyong kanak na, wala na mo yung pwede mausap na. So, that is already given. So, kung hindi mo nag-research ang kung saan na problema sa panel, what will be the contribution? Because you cannot change anymore the lesson plan unless in sila sa supervisor will not get education national.
Oh, the perfect is K. Simple orange.
Their planning is not actually bottoms up. Sa ilang muli na
Okay, and then
so that works, diba?
let's just
Medyo kamay naman po ng academic freedom sa
make it
DepEd.
really
Simply
very good.
because basic EdMan dapat uniform most nationwide. Unlike sa higher education institution, ang academic freedom among us in the university, medyo taas mo ni. Okay, sige. What else do you have in mind, man, for this one? Let's go.
Isa base ma'am,
Then
palayon
let's
ko pa
just
sa atong
make
research
it
ko.
round.
Anti-management.
This isn't actually made for background. This is made for like. So let's just use this. Okay, this is so cutesies.
And then you just polish it. Or if you could think of others, you can start. So, yung ka makastart na, yung
Okay, there.
So, you could, although it's not really a very polished chapter 1, but then again, you have to produce one.
Okay, that was pretty easy. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the 2 parts. I will come back for you to another video. Just wait, like 15 minutes. Easy. So anyways, bye guys!